Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a late delivery on AliExpress. So the first thing that you have to do is log into your AliExpress account, application, or the website. Once you're there, open your My Orders and then find the order that is delayed. So you can check the buyer protection and also the estimated delivery time. So note that you can only apply once the estimated delivery time has passed. So once you're done checking that, click Open Dispute and then choose Refund Only. So if you haven't received the item, you choose the refund only. So under the reasons, select the logistics tracking problem, then the item is not received. So from there, you have to provide the details. You can write that the package is late and you want a refund. You can also attach a screenshot of the tracking page showing the delay but this is just optional, but it helps with the process. So once you're done, just submit the dispute and just wait for the seller to accept or negotiate. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!